Imagine this. You've just finished building a beautiful presentation in Canva. It took hours, maybe even days, and now you are starting a brand new project. But here is the problem. Some of those slides you worked so hard on would fit perfectly in your new design. So the question is, do you start from scratch again? Or is there a faster way? Most people don't realize this, but Canva makes it incredibly easy to copy entire pages from one design straight into another. No need to rebuild, no need to retype, and definitely no need to drag every single text box or image piece by piece. So let's walk you through exactly how to do it. Picture this. You are working on a webinar slide deck. You remember you have already created a similar presentation a while back. Instead of reinventing the wheel, all you want is to pull a couple of those slides into your new project. And here is where the trick comes in. Start by opening your new design in a grid view. If you have never used it, grid view is the little icon that shows you all your pages laid out as thumbnails side by side. It's perfect for spotting where your copied slides will fit. Now in a separate tab, open the design you want to copy from. Switch that into grid view 2. At this point, both designs are open. One is where you are working, the other is where your slides are waiting. Next step, highlight the pages you want. Hold down Shift if you are selecting more than one. Once they are highlighted, copy them with a simple keyboard shortcut. Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a Windows. Then switch back to your new design, click where you want the pages to land and paste. Command-V on Mac or Control-V on Windows. And just like that, your chosen slides appear inside your new design, exactly as they looked before. Fonts, images, colors, everything exact. Now, maybe you are thinking, what if they land in the wrong place? Don't worry, Canva makes it simple. Just drag the pages to reorder them until they are in the perfect spot. No stress. This isn't just about convenience. It's about saving creative energy. Because when you don't waste time rebuilding old work, you can focus on what actually matters. Your new ideas, your fresh designs, the story you want to tell. Here is something else to keep in mind. The more projects you create in Canva, the more you will notice patterns. Certain layouts, certain slides, certain elements, they repeat. Copying pages across designs is how you build your own personal library. It's how you get faster, smarter, and yes, more consistent. Instead of starting every project at zero, you are starting with momentum. And one last thought. If you are still on the free version of Canva, this feature works great. But if you want even more efficiency, like brand kits, save templates, and collaboration tools, Canva Pro might be worth a look. Many designers find it pays for itself in a time saved. So, next time you are staring at a blank canvas, remember this. You don't have to reinvent every page. Open your old project, copy what works, paste it into the new one, adjust, tweak, and keep building. That's how you take the stress out of starting and turn Canva into a tool that works for you.